Today we're going to be installing an overhead shelf on our Ford Transit. When you unpack your overhead shelf, you're going to see there's a bar right there. That's going to be for your curtain rod, and that's going to go in the front here. You've got these little brackets here. They're going to attach here, hold the curtain rod between the front, along the front. You're going to have this felt mat. That's got some double-sided sticky tape on the back. We're going to lay that inside here. We're going to line up those holes, and we're going to remove that double-sided sticky tape to adhere that. You're going to have some hardware. These little tiny M5s, and you've got some washers and nuts for those. Those are going to use a 2.5 millimeter Allen for the heads, and you're going to be using 8 millimeter for the nuts. And then when you're in the cabin and you're removing your OEM little shelf handle bracket piece, you're going to use a 7 for the small one and an 8 millimeter for the larger one. So that's what we're going to get started with installing these brackets in the van on that shelf. Okay, let's get to it. Go in here first, a small one. Make sure to push in all the way so it engages. And that's your 7 millimeter. And we'll swap over to an 8. Get this back one right here, up all the way. Strip it out. There we go. Okay. Easy peasy. Next, we're going to take this bracket. We're going to fit it in right here between this little section. You see those squares kind of fit on top of the squares that the factory has on the, there you go. You're gonna fit in like that, almost hold itself in place. There you go, that's right. Right there, okay, perfect. Yeah, almost holds itself in place without even being attached. Now we're gonna put those screws back in. And we'll start with the 8 millimeter right here. There we go. That's in. Swap to the smaller one. And this guy goes in. Make sure it lines up. There you go. Okay. That's one side in, and we'll work our way around to the other side. Get that right there. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Make sure the hole lines up. Okay. Okay. Swap to the smaller one. And do the front one. Okay, we've got that in. So we're going to grab the shelf, go back to the shelf, and I'm going to put the felt on top, and then we'll bring it in here. Okay, so we're back with the shelf. I've got my felt on top. I'm going to line up all these holes so that all those holes line up properly. Once they're all lined up, put some pressure on the center of it, peel it back a little bit. I'm going to grab one side of that double-sided sticky tape, peel it back. Do that for all 3 of those little tapes that go across. Okay, there's the other one. Okay. So I know it's lined up now. So if it comes and lays flat, those holes line up perfectly. Let's see. Perfect, yes. Those holes line up. Okay, so now, lift it back up. Grab those 3 tapes underneath. As I lay it down, everything just kind of lines right up, and I pull the tape back. So, keep pulling these guys, get them all off. Lay this guy down. And you're going to see that your holes will line up nicely. There you go. And now all that's done. This felt mat installed. We're going to move to the curtain rod. Now, the curtain rod isn't necessarily something everyone's going to put on their van. Some people have the window covers on the windshield and the passenger and driver side windows, so they might not need a curtain rod. However, for sake of this, we're going to show you how to install a curtain rod in case you want to have your curtain rod installed. We're going to start with these brackets right here. We're going to use a bolt from this side. I'm going to put it through, or with a washer, sorry. Bolt with a washer through this side. We're going to put it through this hole right here. We're going to put a nut and a washer on the back side. Underneath there. And put a nut on there as well. Sorry if my fat fingers are in the way. You can't really see anything, but that is where the nut goes. And then we can take our M8 and tighten that down with our, I think it's a 2.5. Yeah, 2.5. And we're going to make that tight. We're going to tighten it up. We're putting this down to 90 degrees. So we want to have this curtain rod bracket on this side sitting at 90 degrees parallel with the body. So you got this guy sitting at about 90 degrees right there. We can go do the other same thing at the other side. Okay, so we're going to rotate that up to 90 degrees. Now we're going to take a washer and a nut, and we're going to come around from the back side and go into our curtain rod. So we're going to tighten this down. Okay. Again, that's just the 2.5 Allen key as well. We'll go to the other side and do the same thing. Okay. There you go. Okay. There we go. So that's all tightened down. Now we can move, grab 6 bolts, 6 nuts, and 12 washers, and move this inside the van. And we're going to be putting the hardware in from the top down, or from bottom up, sorry. So we're going to lay this flat on top here. We're going to line up the holes right there, right there. We're going to come with our screws from the underside so you don't see the bottom, we don't see the nuts on the bottom. We're going to put a washer and a nut on top, right there. A nut. We're going to do that on all those other 2 up top, and then the 3 on the other side. Okay. So now that I got the difficult one in the back all done, I can actually reach around and get these ones with a tool. There we go.
That one's already tight.
These are tight.
I already tightened that one.
Perfect. Yep. Make it look like I'm doing some work. This guy. Finish tightening it down. Okay. So now that we got it all tightened down, this is your shelf, headliner shelf with curtain rod.